Welcome to Yaka Digital Network videos. If you manage a livestock farm, you already know that animal nutrition is your highest operational cost. By learning how to formulate and prepare your own feed using locally available ingredients, you can maximize your livestock's productivity while keeping your expenses under tight control. A balanced diet relies on 5 essential components: carbohydrates for energy, proteins for growth, minerals, vitamins, and water. Today, our objective is balancing the protein in a ration using a mathematical tool called the Pearson square. Understanding a balanced diet requires precision. It takes strict mathematical formulation rather than guessing your ingredient ratios to ensure animal health and farm profitability. This display shows our real-world scenario. The farm requires exactly 200 kilograms of a dairy meal featuring a 16% crude protein content. You have 2 main ingredients available: sunflower seed cake at 28% protein, and maize bran at 8%. We begin by drawing our square. The target percentage we need to achieve, 16%, goes right in the center. Next, we place our available feed ingredients on the left side. The 28% sunflower seed cake sits at the top left corner, and the 8% maize bran goes at the bottom left. Now we apply the rule of diagonal subtraction. You must always subtract the smaller number from the larger number, regardless of its position. Following the diagonal across, 28 minus 16 leaves us with 12 parts of maize bran. We repeat the process across the other diagonal, again subtracting the smaller from the larger. 16 minus 8 gives us 8 parts of sunflower seed cake. These final numbers on the right side of the square only represent a ratio of parts. This establishes the exact nutritional balance we need before we calculate the physical weights. This screen shows an active recall exercise. Pause the video, calculate the total number of parts, and use that total to determine the exact kilograms of each ingredient needed for a 200 kilogram batch. Welcome back. The first step is adding the 2 parts together to find our denominator. 12 plus 8 gives us a total of 20 parts. Let's find the weight for the sunflower seed cake. We take its 8 parts, divide by the 20 total parts, and multiply by our 200 kilogram target. That yields exactly 80 kilograms. We follow the exact same steps for the maize bran. 12 divided by 20 multiplied by 200 equals exactly 120 kilograms. Completing this exact conversion ensures the herd receives the necessary protein, and it prevents the farmer from wasting money by overfeeding expensive concentrates. With the mathematical weights calculated, we move to the physical preparation. Before you mix, harder ingredients like maize bran should be ground into a coarse meal to increase their surface area and improve animal digestion. When you mix, use the layering method. Lay out your largest volume ingredient first to act as the foundation. Here, you spread the 120 kilograms of maize bran evenly across a clean floor. Next, evenly pour the smaller volume protein concentrates, your 80 kilograms of sunflower seed cake, directly over the top of the base layer. Then perform the physical mix. Using a shovel or a mixer, thoroughly blend the layers until there are no lumps and the texture is perfectly uniform throughout the pile. The crucial final step is storage. Pack the mixed feed into clean sacks and store them off the ground on pallets. This prevents moisture accumulation and stops the growth of toxic mold. This cheat sheet summarizes the process. Set your target, subtract diagonally, calculate your kilograms, and use the layering method to mix. You can watch more videos for all classes here and get all content at www.yaka.cc. Mastering both the calculation and the physical preparation guarantees a consistent, nutritious feed that fuels farm success.